This video will teach you how to make money online as a total beginner without any experience. So hi everyone, this is Lydia, and in today's video I will share 6 ways you can start making money online as a beginner and without any experience. I will share these ways that you can start generating more income for yourself online. Way number 1, selling on Etsy. Etsy is a website that you can sell on without or with experience. Most people use Etsy to sell handmade products, but you can also sell vintage items. You can sell products you've designed but not necessarily handcrafted. You can sell elements to create handcrafted items and so much more. So basically Etsy is a platform that you can sell things that you've made yourself or made within your company, but if you've made it with your company, you have to state that when listing the product. Or if some other company made that product for you, you need to state that when listing your product. A great passive income idea that I'm also testing right now is making digital prints and selling them on Etsy so people can just download them as they've bought it from my shop. So there's nothing for me to do than just edit a bunch of things, basically create the printables that they will get, add them to my shop, and then obviously you need to take care of growing your shop, getting people to your shop, promoting it on social media and so on, and obviously the customer service. But other than that, it is basically automated and you can make great passive income with your Etsy shop if you make sure to post every single month a few new items or every single week, and you make sure to optimize your shop and also promote it with social media. Way number 2 you can make money online as a complete beginner and without much knowledge is going to websites like Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a website filled with freelancers that do a great job at offering services for other people. So even if you might think by now that Fiverr is a platform that you only sell services you're an expert at, well, no. People sell things such as I will write something on my hand and take a picture of it, and that will be what you're paying for. There are a bunch of weird things on Fiverr. I'm not encouraging you to go do those things on Fiverr. I'm just telling you that there are a bunch of ways you can make money on Fiverr without any experience. So it can be singing a song, just writing a song for somebody. It can be really anything from hobbies to actual freelance services from experts. So my advice for you is that if you want to start making money on Fiverr, which is something that I did, I generated over $2,000 from Fiverr only as a product photographer and social media manager. You can go on Fiverr and just browse through the gigs that they have there, see if anything there you would like to do as well or you have experience. It doesn't have to be professional experience. It can be a hobby that you have. For example, you like painting and you want to sell personalized paintings on Fiverr. You can do that. You can basically create any gig you want and sell it on Fiverr. If you want to know more about selling on Fiverr and tips for beginners, you can check out the video below that I did on growing on Fiverr and getting clients. Obviously, knowledge in a topic can get you a lot more money on Fiverr, but you can also choose to start with a hobby or start with something you have a little bit of knowledge in and then go from there. As you get reviews and as you get clients that will leave reviews, then your gig will grow. You will have the ability of adding more gigs to your profile and making a lot more money. The reason I'm not using Fiverr anymore right now, it is because I've started my own website where I offer my services, so I don't have to use Fiverr. Fiverr does take a commission out of every sale you make through them. The third way you can start making money online without experience is by testing websites. So there are basically websites that pay you for testing other websites. One example is usertesting.com. You can go there and be paid $10 per 20-minute review on a website, but the first thing you will want to do is they will require you to sign up, and then they will require you to provide an example testing of a website. For example, they just give you out the exact things you need to pinpoint when recording your voice and recording the screen of the website you are testing. Give you things that you need to talk about. For example, how fast the user experience was, how fast can you find details on the website. So basically, while you're recording your voice and explaining your experience right then and there, a 20-minute interview, they will give you $10 per 20-minute interview if they accept your submission. And the thing with testing websites is that they don't always have a bunch of websites that they give to you to test, so you can't really think, okay, so I have 20 minutes, I will make $30 per hour because I will test 3 websites in an hour. Sometimes they don't have websites available for you to test, or sometimes they just won't give them to you to test them, but that just depends on the website. So you might want to search for those on Google and try and see which ones are the best for you, and sign up a few submissions and see which ones accept you. Way number 4 is making money with affiliate marketing. To make money with affiliate marketing, you must already have a website first, or a YouTube channel, or just a platform to promote your products on, to show the company of the affiliate program you want to join. So the way affiliate marketing works is that you get a commission out of every sale somebody makes through your link. I have a few examples in the description below, so you can see those right there and see that if you click on any of those links, affiliate links right there, I will receive a commission because you made that sale through my link, because you purchased something through my link. Different affiliate programs can have different requirements, so you must just apply to a bunch of affiliate programs first and see which of those accept you, and after that you will be able to start promoting their products in your videos, blog posts, and so much more. The 5th way to make money online is with Google Adsense, or ads in general. So you can place ads either on your YouTube videos that are placed automatically by Google Adsense once you get monetized, when you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or you can monetize your own website by placing ads in your blog posts, on the sidebar of your website, or wherever you want them to be. You can start making money depending on the page views that you get on your website and on the people that click your ads. So to make money with Google AdSense or from ads monthly, you must have a certain audience either on your YouTube channel or your website. So there are people that make more money out of ads than others because of the niche that their channel, their blog is in. So you must make sure you understand those things. There's such thing as a CPM for every YouTube video that you post, depending on the type of video it is and the type of channel you have as well. So the money you make from ads is determined by the number of views you get and the number of people that play and click your ads. And way number 6 is making money by selling online courses on Udemy.com, for example. Udemy is a website that you can sell courses on literally anything. If you know sewing, if you know social media, and you want to create a small course that you want to sell on there, you can do that. Udemy does take a percentage out of every sale that you make, but the good thing about that is that they have a huge platform that people already know about, and they go there to search for courses to buy and to learn more things. So if you add your course there, if they accept you as a seller there, you will make money because they already have the audience that comes and looks at courses. All you need to do is get some reviews and make sure to do a course that is really nice described. So add a little trailer for that course for your future clients to see and be convinced to purchase that course, and so on. So that was it for my video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed these 6 ways you can make money online as a beginner or not. Let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed them and what is your favorite one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will be posting new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and bonus videos on Sundays. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next one.